Fragile? Isn't that French? Doesn't that mean something special in French? Let's find out what's inside. Coming up next on the Baldy Palms Railroad. Okay, so this box is from Brady's Train Outlet. I never knew of Brady's Train Outlet until I was turned on by a fellow YouTuber from Luckey Ranch Railroad. He turned me on to Brady's Train Outlet. I was looking for a particular locomotive and found it out there in Brady's. Sale. Paper. Another box. This is a little teaser. Southern Pacific LionChief Plus GP38 46. Instruction manual. And here we have the LionChief Plus remote control. And in the box, we have a beautiful SP Southern Pacific GP38. Brand new out of the box. I grew up in Southern California and grew up near the train tracks. That's kind of what got me into the love of trains all these years. And the line that was right outside our house, or really about less than 500 feet from our house, was the SP main line coming into Los Angeles. And we grew up with Southern Pacific on those lines, and never had a Southern Pacific locomotive. I did have a NW2 switcher that I converted from track power to TMCC many years ago. I'll stick a little show note markup in the header up here for you if you want to watch that conversion. But that's my only Southern Pacific engine that I've ever had. I've always wanted some Southern Pacific locomotive. I do have a caboose that I've actually never pulled out of the box. It's still up in the attic. It's the old traditional brown cabooses, and it would make a great combo with this locomotive here. So let me pull it out of the box here. I'm gonna convert this to dead rail, but I want to give it a shot right now here and see if just listen to it and see how it sounds. So we'll put it on the test bench and plug it in with track power and see how it sounds and see what it does. Okay, so I got it all set up on the test bench here. Got my trusty CW80. Great little transformer. Had it for years. I use it for my test track on track power. So we're gonna fire this puppy up, give it some sound, or give it some power. And we have the distinct beeping sound. We're gonna use the universal remote on this one. Got it programmed to number 3. And there we have sound. Got electric couplers. Let's shift and we got crew talk. Pretty cool. We're going to roll forward a little bit. Light turns back on when the locomotive stops.
The GP38 debuted in 1966, and the GP38-2 version that came online in 1972. With nearly 3,000 units produced, with the production ending in 1984, many of these units are still in service nearly 50 years later. So coming up next on the project list is to convert this unit into dead rail, or in other words, battery power. So don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for future episodes. Comments are always welcome, and I'll see you next time.